UnionTech Machinery Company Limited was established in the year 2005, located in Jinan City. We have always been devoted to the research and manufacture of all kinds of CNC machines, including vertical machining center, horizontal machining center, gantry machining center, CNC lathe, and etc. We have one professional and experienced team, which contains production department, R&D department, quality control department, sales department, and after-sales service department. Every machine is well installed and tested before leaving our factory. We will offer whole-life technical support and service once clients cooperated with us. All our machines are qualified by CE and SGS certification. We have gained good feedback and reputation with our outstanding quality and professional service in the last 10 years. We have lots of customers located all over the world, especially in Europe, the USA, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and so on. Many of our clients became our long-term cooperated partners, selling machines and offering service with UnionTech brand. With the continuous improvement of technology, we focused on the study of 5-axis machining center and have made great progress and good sales results. We will continue to innovate technology with our mission, contribute to the advancement of CNC technology in the world, and provide more high-tech machines to customers who are really in need. Customers satisfy is eternal pursuit of UnionTech machinery. We are always here to offer clients best machines and service.